Hi, my name is Jennifer Gerstenzang, and I'm excited to share information about an exciting service that I call legal coaching. This is something that I created. It is not something that other attorneys are doing, and it is a way to help people get the information they need and to demystify the criminal court process so that people are not afraid when they're going into court because they have the knowledge and the information they need so they know what to expect when they go to court. Legal coaching is this amazing service that nobody knows about. So I'm working to get the word out to help more people because the people who have had a legal coaching session are just over the moon about it. So what is legal coaching? Legal coaching can be used in a number of different scenarios. The ones that I think are the most prominent and the ones that are most often used are one of three scenarios. The first one is if you're in trouble with the law and you've got an upcoming court date and you're not currently represented by an attorney, but you want answers to your questions. You don't know if you want to hire an attorney or if you want to go with the public defender's office, and you just want to know what's going to happen in court. You know, there's no crystal balls and there's no guarantee. Every situation is different, but a lot of situations are very similar, and the criminal court process is the same. So it's an opportunity to get your questions answered, get the information you're looking for, and understand what to expect from your court date. And then if there's things that you can do in the meantime ahead of your court date, we'll go through what you should be doing to make sure that you go into that court date prepared or having completed classes or programs that will really put you in a better position in front of the court. Another way legal coaching can be used is if you've got a family member who's in trouble or a friend who's in trouble and you're just trying to get some answers about what's going on in their kind of case. So in a legal coaching session, based upon what the status of their case is, what their charges are, and what the situation is, I can discuss with you and explain to you sort of what's happening in that case from a general perspective. But that can be extremely helpful to family members who are just trying to understand, hey, why is it a little bit difficult for me to get in touch with my loved one's attorney? What's the best way to communicate with that person or to give them valuable information to help your loved one? How can I best communicate with my loved one? What are things that I need to be watching out for? Should I send a letter to the judge? What should that letter look like if I should? And in this legal coaching session, we can go through a ton of questions and answer the questions you have and give you information that you didn't even know you needed so that you can either be the best person to help your loved one or to understand what you can be doing that could be really helpful. And a lot of times being a family member of somebody who's incarcerated or in trouble can be really emotionally draining, and this session will give you the power and the knowledge to know what steps you can be doing to help that person rather than just spinning your wheels in worry. And finally, legal coaching is really helpful for people who may have already had their case handled, but they have some questions on some of their probation issues, or maybe they're looking at a probation violation and they don't know what to be doing, or possibly they're at warrant and they want to know what are the steps to get that warrant recalled. And a legal coaching session is a great way to talk to an attorney, get the answers you're looking for without paying the full price of hiring an attorney to handle the case for you, because sometimes you might not need that, or sometimes there are things you can actually do on your own that will save you a lot of money in attorney's fees. But the coaching session gives you the comfort of knowing what's going to happen rather than showing up to court bewildered, scared, nervous, and just letting the court experience happen to you. You'll have a little bit more control because you'll know what to expect. So if you want to have a legal coaching session or you have more questions, please reach out to Gerstenzang Law at our website, gerstenzanglaw.com, or by calling 619-356-1445. Thank you.